Hello, and welcome to another update video on ICP. ICP deserves the spotlight at the moment because ICP has performed quite well, especially here from the all-time low. We have a significant recovery. Let's measure it actually. The problem is that the low point is different on different exchanges, but if we just measure it here from this Tradingview chart where the price bottomed around $1.50 all the way up here to the $9.70 level, I mean that's a 500% recovery from the Kucoin low all the way up to the top. That's decent. That, funny enough, doesn't make it a bullish chart though, because we have to zoom out. We have to zoom out and we can see that this is a lifetime downtrend, yeah, which might start a recovery, okay? Of course, there is a short-term recovery. For this, however, for this to become something more meaningful, we need the market to form a 5-wave move. 5 waves up. We have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, we have a wave 3, we have a wave 4, we have a wave 5. Not yet done, but maybe in the making. This is what we need for a first proper upside reversal pattern. As always, 3 waves isn't gonna cut it. It's not gonna be enough. But of course, we're tracking micro support here. $5.23 to $7.28. That's our micro support zone, which needs to hold for upside continuation. What we'd like to see is one more high after a healthy wave 4. The main question at the moment is whether we can hold Fibonacci support. So we have to make sure that we understand what the relevant parameters are here to keep the upside momentum intact. What we are tracking is a potential 5-wave move up in an impulse. The third wave, orange wave 3, reached ideal targets. I mean, as I said, the 138% extension. That's the first ideal target for a third wave. The problem is, I'm not quite sure if this is already circle wave 4. It could be. If it is, the next move up should be a B wave bounce, and then we can get another C wave decline, and that gives us an ABC down in wave 4, and then we can get a 5th wave up from there. So if we can get this 5 waves up after a 4th wave low, we have a proper reversal. Yeah, of course, that doesn't mean you have to wait for the 1-2 set up to form. You could have traded already from that low, right? You could have traded the breakout. I mean, there were some other setups, but I'm just talking about structural confirmation. We need 5 waves up, 3 waves down. When we have 5 waves, I can add support for wave 2, and this would be a structural, or not structurally, Fibonacci support area, which could then act as a springboard for higher prices. Now, very often they say that, that's not only what they say, but guidelines tell us that a wave 2 could finish in the area of a wave 4 of 1 lesser wave degree. So it might be in this region, but let's first see how high the 5-wave move goes. It will depend on the support area then. Fibonacci levels will be determined after all 5 waves are complete. If this is already circle wave 3 completed, circle wave 5 should reach at least $12.11, possibly $14.10, maybe $17 if things go well. But as I said, it could even be that we get one more extension in wave 3. Either way, what is just, you know, regardless of labeling and whether we get one more extension in circle wave 3, what really matters now is that the bulls can hold above the $5.23 level, because any break below this $5.23 level would be a first indication of a top. Yeah, that we have a 3-wave top, and that can lead to a lot of different different scenarios and so on. If we have a 4th wave, yeah, from here, further downside could unfold. The pivot between the orange count, basically further upside, and the scenario that we've topped already is $5.23. And it's not an invalidation point, but it's still an important pivot. Any decisive break below would open the door to another low, or at least to a test of these previous swing lows at around $2.90, but even that would be a significant drawdown. That's the update on ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. You can find the link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching the videos on this YouTube channel. If you've been thinking about joining MCO as a member, now might be a great time. You can use the link in the video description and apply the discount code right below it. You will get 50% off your first month of our Gold membership, and you can explore everything we offer. It's the easiest way to test the membership, see if it's a good fit for you, and get a feel for the community, join the conversation, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in our member area.